Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can extend the duration of the black and white stock videos on CapCut PC. So as you can see, I want this to overlay the whole video, but as you can see I can't extend it. That's because it's a video, so simply just freeze frame it because there's nothing animated. Doesn't affect anything. And you can do it as well with the black stock video here. Just show you, I can't extend it. Again, just freeze frame it, delete the rest, and I can extend it as long as I want it to be. And yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!